So when you go to account top up, you're gonna input my promo code, which is Emma. You can see that when you deposit $100, you will receive $150 on your account just because you use my promo code. So don't forget to do that. Hi darlings, Emma here and welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am so happy to see you back here. I am also very happy to be trading on Pocket Option, making great profits and having a lot of fun. So I have a strong feeling today's session is going to bring in some really good money, and let's find out if my intuition is actually right, shall we? Okay, let's do it. Well, I'm going to be using a couple different tools as I usually do, but first high Kanashi candles. Here we go, zigzag, and RSI. And now I'm going to adjust everything because those adjustments are crucial if you want to make sure you're ready to make the right decision in any market situation. As you see, I'm starting really small today, just $50 for the start. And let's take a look. So the oscillator is showing room for movement and the price action indicates a break in the downtrend. So we're gonna go for a long here. And let's see how that plays out. Guys, if you are unsure about any aspect of the trading, I highly recommend to check out my Telegram channel. The link is below, and that is exactly one place you need to get all the necessary information to start making great profits trading. So go check it out if you haven't already. It's great, and I put it out for you in a very easy to understand way, because when I was starting out, I was struggling. $96, here we go. Okay, great start. And it's time to place $96 as my next bid and take a look at the market situation once again. Well, right now, currently, we are in an uptrend, expecting a breakout from the range to the upside. As there is still room on the RSI, take a look, which is by now has slightly cooled off. So let's wait for this to happen. When it's time to sell, it's time to sell. Yes, $184.32. Put option, everything worked out. I just love the analysis, you know, when you look at the different tools who are telling you the story, and you just gotta listen to it and act on it, most importantly. All right, that asset pair looks good to me. And now I'm gonna place $184, and let's see. You can see that we have reached the resistance zone at 1.03, and we are moving downward with a good room for a decline. So the only option I see here is a put option. One more time, and let's do it. Funny story, somebody slipped into my DMs recently, a couple days ago, asking if I could name their pet. It's a lizard. I was like, this might be the weirdest thing I was ever asked to do. But you know what's even more weird? I said yes. That's such a random and hilarious story. Oh my God, $353. Yes, yes, and yes. Okay, perfect. I do love that result. I think we have a lot more opportunities to take on. So let's keep going. Okay, time to make the next move. $353 is my next bid. And look at that. You see what's happening? Both High Kanashi and Zigzag are telling us we are in a very strong uptrend. However, RSI signals overbought conditions. So I'm expecting a move down just to clear it. And I'm gonna open a put option at the candlestick. Let's do it. Guys, just a quick reminder, I have an amazing Telegram channel. The link is below, and that is where I put all my exclusive strategies, all the unique insights I know, all the signals that actually work, waiting for you out there, because You know, when I started trading, I was lost in this world and it was harsh. 677. Amazing profit. But it doesn't have to be harsh for you. Just go check out the link, see my Telegram channel, and you'll see what I'm talking about. The profits are awaiting you. Do not miss out. What about this asset pair? That looks good to me. Now I'm going to place $678. The bids are up, that's correct. And let's see. Ooh, okay. Those are very oversold conditions. It bounced up from the 0.99 zone. And honestly, I expect nothing but the upward growth. Therefore, I'm going for a long here. It's a call option. Definitely, definitely, definitely. So yeah, back to that lizard story. The person sent me the picture of the lizard, the pet lizard, and I gave him the name Pickles, just because it felt right. I don't know. What's the weirdest pet name you ever heard of? Please share in the comments. I really want to know. $1,301. Yes, yes, and one more time. Yes, because we are doing amazing here. Very good. And now I'm going to place $1,302 as my next bid. And okay, look at that. A very strong buyer with volume, a lot of volume, has entered the market. Heikin-Ashi and Zigzag both strongly indicate long. So I'm gonna go for a call option here with the room on the RSI. So I don't think we have any other choice here other than to go up. So let's find out. But I think Pickles is a really good name for a lizard, don't you think? I mean, this is so recent that it's still in my head. I'm like, the most random thing ever, but actually so funny and so like makes me laugh. $2,499. Well done, isn't it? I'd say this is amazing. I mean, do you remember I started with $50 and now we're looking at those digits? Okay, this is extremely well done, but I'm not gonna stop here. I am going further and you're coming with me because it's our shared journey, isn't it? All right, new asset pair. And the next move, $2,499. Here we go. Yes, I know bids are up. So I'm going to take even a more precise look at this situation on the market. And I can confidently say that we entered oversold territory sharply within a downtrend. And I'm expecting a bounce up. So I'm going to go for a long here. Yeah, it's got to bounce, you know. I do not think any opposite scenario is possible in this case. It's got to bounce. It's got to bounce. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Not enough time, but that is okay. That happens sometimes. You just gotta find the peace inside you and wait for the right time and the right market situation. So that's fine. I'm gonna keep the same beat and look at that. It's an overbought state for quite a long time. And I do believe that the downward pullback is needed. So I'm actually gonna open a put option here, despite the uptrend, capturing the candle's peak. And let's see what happens. Yes, $4,798. Bravo. Guys, I think it's been an amazing session. I'm really, really happy to be doing this and sharing the process with you. I just want to tell you, mistakes are okay. They are inevitable. So as long as you take them as a learning curve and you do understand what you're doing and why you're doing what you're doing, you will be golden. And in order to get that understanding at the deep level, I highly recommend for you to check out my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, because that is where I use all the knowledge all the knowledge I have on trading and share it with you. So with exclusive strategies, unique signals, and highly precise forecasts, you're gonna get there on that next level in trading in no time. Trust me, it's really good. My subscribers have been raving about it, so I decided to, share all the information with more of you. In case you didn't know my TG existed, the link is right there. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being you. I love and appreciate every one of you. You are amazing. And I will see you really soon, okay? Bye.